everyone, welcome back to Math tutorial. So before move on to our new topic, I'm going to touch base back on what we have learned in the last videos based on angles. So here are some warm-up questions. I'm going to give you some couple of seconds to go through this one. Now I'm going to figure this out. So look, I got an angle here, M and 70, and we're going to figure out the value for M. So we know these angles are on a straight line. I'm going to write the formula, that is M plus 70 is equal to 180, and we know M is equal to 110. Check your answer. Now here is a full circle. You see in the first question there was a half of circle. Now this is a full circle and the angles are at a point, and one angle you see the 90 degree. So what the formula would be, N plus 90. Here's the 180, that's a full circle. At a point, I'm going to write it 360. So N is equal to 360. Take away 90, and N is equal to 270. Check your answer. So these are the two questions that we learned in our last two videos. So now today we're going to learn about vertically opposite angle, and here is a diagram. So you see we have two vertical lines and the angles B and B. If this is B and this should be B, if this is A and this should be A, so the lines are vertical. So now we're gonna move on to our questions. See, in our first question, two lines are vertically opposite, and there are two angles, that is one is 50 degree, and we learn about angles are equal if the lines are vertically opposite. So that means A is equal to 50 degree. Now we're gonna move on to our next question here. So look here, vertical lines here, one angle is given 40 degree and one angle is 30 degree. Two angles are missing, F and G. I'm gonna write it here. So F is just opposite to 30 degree, so that means F is equal to 30 degree, and G is opposite to 40, so that means G is 40 degree. So now that means F and G are 30 and 40. So I'm gonna move on to my next question here. Question number 5. You see one angle is 80, one angle is 110, and one angle is again 80. Right. So look, one angle is, you see there is a square box. That means one angle is 90. So that means H is equal to 90. I'm gonna write here. So if this angle is 80, that means I should be 80 degree. If this angle is 110, then that it means J is equal to 110, and last but not least, K is equal to 80 degree, because the angle is just opposite is 80 degree. So now I'm gonna move it here. You see one angle is 40 and one angle is 10, and the angle which is missing, that is O. So angle, as we learned, vertically opposite angles are equal. So that means O is equal to 10 plus 40, because that is equal to addition of 10 and 40. That means O is equal to 50 degree. Now I'm gonna move on to my question number 6. Here you see one angle is 60, one angle is 40, one angle is 80, and one angle is 20. Right. So easy. So you see 40 is just opposite to L, so that means L is equal to 40 degree. Right. Now N is just on straight line with 60 degree, and we learned angles on a straight line as 180. So I'm gonna write here N plus 60 is equal to 180. That means N is equal to 120. So I'm gonna look out for the M as well. So now this angle AD is just opposite to the sum of 20 and M. So that means M plus 20 is equal to 80. Right? So M is equal to 60 degree. So that means we have figured out L is equal to 40. M is equal to 60 and N is equal to 120. So check your answer and note it on your book. So these are the few examples you see on the board and projector as well, vertically opposite angles. Do it on your time. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching the video.